3 hours and 47 minutes. That's how long it took every single morning for a cake shop to invoice their orders. 100 invoices, all manual, all repetitive, all soul-crushing. Until one morning,
We did it. The invoices are automated.
That's fantastic. What a relief.
so while they slept, something worked for them. And this video is about how a cake shop in Qatar eliminate nearly 4 hours of daily manual work with AI automation. Hey, I'm Maddie, and if you're watching this, chances are your business is stuck doing something manually that absolutely should not be done by humans and a computer should do it. Or chances are you are someone learning AI automation. Welcome to my channel, and here's what I do. I automate the mundane tasks that eat up your time, drain your team, and stop your business from scaling. Not the fun stuff, not the creative work, the boring, repetitive, soul-destroying tasks that computers do 1,000 times faster with 0 errors. Today I'm going to show you how I help the cake shop in Qatar eliminate nearly 4 hours of daily manual work with one intelligent automation that runs while everyone sleeps. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly how this works and why your business needs it too. Now let me introduce you to this cake shop. Beautiful products, loyal customers, and they're crushing it online through an app called Take.app. From the outside, the business is a huge success. But every day morning at 9 a.m., absolute chaos begins for the entrepreneur. Here's what their day looks like. 9 a.m., the staff arrives ready to work. And by 9:05, they log into the Take app and download yesterday's orders. Sometimes 50, sometimes 150, all dumped into one giant Excel spreadsheet. And by 9:15, they open Zoho Books, that's the accounting software where they store customer information and create invoices. And then the nightmare begins. And for every single order, they have to ask, do we already have this customer? And if it's a new customer, they manually create a profile. Name, contact details, everything typed by hand. And if the customer already exists, they search for them, find the record, and make a note. And then comes the real time killer. Creating individual invoices, one by one, customer name, items ordered, quantities, prices, total, over and over again. Depends on the number of orders. If it's 150, they have to do the same thing 150 times with a different customer name and info. Now, by 1 p.m., they're done, exhausted and burned out. 4 hours gone, every single day. And here's the killer. Because humans get tired, doing repetitive work, mistakes happen. And wrong customer details, missing items, calculations error. And for them, about 5% of the invoices have errors, which means more time wasted fixing problems instead of serving customers or growing the business for the entrepreneur. The result is delayed invoicing, delayed payments, staff burnout, and an entrepreneur who can't focus on growth because he is stuck managing chaos. If you're an entrepreneur, this might sound familiar to you, especially if you're in the service industry. Now, this is where I came in. When the owner reached out to me, they said, Maddie, look, I'm drowning in invoices. There has to be a better way. And I told them what I tell every business owner. If a task is repetitive, rule-based, and eats up hours of human time, it should be automated. So we have built something powerful for them. An intelligent automation system that does exactly what their team was doing, but faster, smarter, and with 0 errors. And the best part was, it works while anyone sleeps. And let me show you exactly how we did it for them. Now, here's the system which we have built for them. Think of it like hiring a perfect employee who never gets tired, never makes mistakes, shows up exactly at 7 a.m. every day, works faster than any human could. Now, the entire automation runs in 4 phases. Let me walk you through it. Now, every morning at 7 a.m., before anyone is awake, the automation activates automatically. No buttons to press, no manual intervention. It just starts. First, it securely connects to Take.app and Zoho Books using encrypted credential. Think of it like unlocking 2 doors with 2 different keys, all automated at the same time. And then the tool refreshes and its access tokens and all to make sure everything is current and secure. That's it. It's ready to work. And then comes the phase 2 where it collects yesterday's orders. The automation connects to Take.app and says, see, give me all the orders from yesterday. Whether it's 10 orders or 200 orders, it downloads everything in seconds. Then it filters the data. It looks through all the orders and extracts only yesterday's orders. Nothing older, nothing today's, or nothing which has to be delivered tomorrow. Just yesterday. While doing this, it organizes all the critical information. Customer names, item ordered, quantity, price, total amount. Everything is structured organized, and ready to process. And then comes the phase 3, which is the intelligent part. This is where it really gets smart. The system doesn't try to process all the 100 orders at once. That would be chaos. Instead, it processes them one by one, like detailing cards, one at a time. Methodical, precise, and for every single order, the automation asks one critical question. Do we already have this customer in Zoho books? This is a key decision point for the system, because if the customer already exists, the automation finds their profile, pulls their customer ID, and immediately creates a perfect invoice. Name, items, quantities, prices, everything on dot. And all this is done in 3 seconds. Perfect accuracy. And in case if it's a brand new customer, the automation creates their profile first, adding all the details to Zoho books. Then it generates their invoice with the same information, all done in 3 seconds. Also perfectly accurate. See, either way, new or existing customers, the invoice is flawless. No typos, no missing items, no calculation errors. And then they move to the next order and the next and the next. Now, in the fourth phase, after each invoice, the system asks, are there more orders? If yes, it goes back and processes the next one. If no, it completes. All the invoices are done, whether it's 100 or 500 or whatever it is, it's done. Now, let's quickly talk about what actually changed. See, the old ways were 9 a.m. the staff arrives, downloads Excel files, opens Zoho books, and in 3 to 4 hours, checking if the customer exists, creating new profiles manually, typing invoices manually, double-checking everything, fixing errors, and by 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m., they're exhausted, frustrated, and there will be a 5% error rate. And the new way is, by 7 a.m., automation wakes up, and by 7:05 fetches all orders automatically, and within a span of few minutes process every order intelligently. And by 9:15 the invoices are done. All invoices complete. Now 9 a.m. staff arrives at work, everything is already finished. That manual labor who was doing this can be assigned with a more value-added service, right? Now the time saved is nearly 15 to 20 hours per week. That's more than 2 full working days. And the error rate dropped from 5% to 0. Perfect accuracy every time. Processing speed is 100 plus invoices in under 15 minutes. Result, better cash flows for the entrepreneur, faster payments, happier staff, a scalable business is safely in your hand. See, this is what intelligent automation really means. See, it's not about replacing people. It's about freeing people from soul-crushing repetitive work that computers do better. Think about what it unlocks. For the business owner, lower cost, better cash flow, the ability to handle 1,000 orders with same workflow, scale without hiring more staff, and for the team, no more tedious data entry. Time to focus on what humans are great at: creativity, problem solving, building customer relation. And from a customer's point of view, it's accurate invoices, professional service, better experience. And for the business itself, it's like a consistent process set in place, complete audit trail, 24/7 operation, unlimited scalability. So here's my question for you. Is your business stuck doing things the old way? Or are you spending hours on tasks that computers could handle in minutes? See, I just want to tell you that the technology exists, the tools are here. The only question is, are you ready to automate? And if you want to explore what automation could do for your business, and if you're ready to let your team focus on what actually grows your business, drop a comment below, reach out, let's talk about your specific situation, because this is the power of intelligent automation. One workflow, unlimited orders, zero manual effort. Let your team sleep, let your automation work. This is what's possible in the modern AI world. I'm Maddie, and thanks for watching. And subscribe to the channel for more AI automation videos.